been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
We just reached home from church.
My strip down.
You see if you what you want to strip down, but it was a very good service. Oh boy, I am tired. Whew.
Strip down naked out the door then.
So who will stop your feet?
I don't know.
Yeah, so I'm tired, but I think we're actually going to go get some stuff done.
Yes, you and Mario.
So we're going to go do that now and drop this one off to his family. So that's what we are going to do.
Yes, Memphis, we actually be a backside off going to come back, boy. Ugly like how I am too much stuff.
So we are heading into town just now. I just quickly changed up. So Mr. Williams, if my charger is working, yes. Why your phone need to charge? So yes, and then like I said, we'll drop off that one. That's all. She's getting shipped off. So that is what we are doing. Oh Lord, AC up in here. I wish I was taking a little trip to the river. Would have been nice. Oh, something's in my eye. Goodness. Oh, these guys, they ride hard on the bike. So hard. Here, babes. So hard. But I guess when we reach further down, I will touch bases with you. Huh? Into progressives. Look at this one. Look at this one, just like a bum. Hmm? Mario haven't going in the store looking same way. Same way like a bum.
Just like I'm not sure.
What? You say you're blending? I guess I got so.
Should I turn in that car?
Oh gosh. Okay, we call it the Resto store. So let's go. We come to shopping at the Resto. There's a Resto people in the store.
So now people
Hmm?
you probably feel out of place.
Where is this something on the meat and stuff? So that way?
Where?
The meat, the hot dogs.
meat?
Down there.
What meat?
Come, oh, which way is this thing? You go that way? Rob,
I see how I feel out of place.
what are you looking for? You need a jerk seasoning. What are you looking for?
Popcorn. What do you mean I'm looking?
Wait a minute, popcorn. You need a jerk seasoning. I don't know. You're not gonna find popcorn there. Where's the jerk seasoning? Here? Here's the curry paste. Oh, you find jerk. Do you see it, babe? Oh, here. Here, Mario. It's over here. Better go get one of these. Mild. It's the jerk sauce. Huh? How much what? Yeah, this here. This one's hot and spicy. This should be good. They don't even have a cart. Wait a minute, I'm eating. We are eating.
You?
We. That's it, Memphis. Yeah, I messed out on the festivities. Oh, sorry, Memphis. I'll go this way. That's what they have. No, this one needs to get it all around. You have to wear your boots, so you have to put my foot. So we're looking for city bad dogs down here.
Yeah?
They're bad dogs. This is what they are talking about.
Who they want them to come?
So
Which one again?
bad dog. Holy moly. Huh?
I'm gonna get one car.
Oh, there is a. Do they have them? How much? They have the igloos here. 1.8. You can't buy. Hmm? The igloos. No, why people choose to shop? Wait, you see Maya? I don't know. It's up here. Hindi na ba daw ako pala yan? This one on this side. Really? What are you doing over there? Oh. You see me looking for you? Huh? What? Yeah, I was looking for you. I was like, where did you go? You're on dong yung man. Eh, you haven't taken only pinayad. Eh? Both you're on dong man. When I said popcorn, see the popcorn them there.
Oh.
So you get the box. Butter lovers. So you get the something there. But there's cheese here. Call Ron and ask him what kind of cheese. He just said cheese. What? And they have, there's 12 pack coming here. But what they would do? Cut them up and put them on? They want the cheese to put on the hot dog, I assume. Said about 7,000 for the stuff. Nothing too much, just a few stuff. So it came up to what, $100? No, but you said 7,000?
No, 10 meters.
What turn? I swear 7 me here, yes sir. Memphis, you gotta pay for fair share. Fuck it up. What do you mean you give them money to use all the shop?
We can't use it. We care about 2,000 and use the other shop.
Hello, so you know you thought that? You know, say disgusting. You know.
150 meals out there, 2,000 we care about.
You should have gone Mr. Chin Shop. Eh? Mr. Williams. Shut up, Memphis. Why you get so much talking? You know, say you get as much talking as Mario.
We get more.
You get more? That's how we ship your box right off.
Made around here 15 years. I will get 15 years worth of trouble.
Yeah, 15 years.
Almost.
Yeah, more like 16 years worth of trouble. Back, it's night and my hair is looking quite crazy. Ow! Crazy. Mosquito biting me. I think he went to go look a barrel. So the kids them are literally going crazy. They're going to set up for the movie night and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay guys, so all the guys them started doing some stuff. Let me get this thing water. Yeah, leave the light on. So the guys started doing some night work. So between putting the stone on the sand for the decking tomorrow morning, they're getting up real early. So a crew of them is coming to deck. Let me show you what they're doing so far. What is going on? So I'm putting the stone there. So, and like I said, everything, well, they put this here, so the pathway, so they can come over here, and I guess they're gonna start from the far corner over there, and then work their way down to that end, I assume, but I guess we will find out. So that's what they're doing for now. I know I'm about to go and shower. Yeah, so I'm going to shower and get myself together and maybe put on something warm, and they gotta set up the stuff for movie night and put on the chicken because they're making jerk chicken, and they're making bad dog and some other stuff. So that is what it consists of our family night tonight. So yeah, that is what we're doing. So I'm gonna shower, get freshened up, and then come back
Okay.
That's where I can see
I'll show you guys what going on over here. Yes, Karim, I live life. It's a life sweet, everyone. And there goes the chef.
Mommy, where down the ice cream for?
Eh?
Where
I
down
don't
the ice cream for?
I saw you scream. Then I frighten him. Go find the chef. Yes,
Look like a duck in all
you
the
did
way.
check the
Yes, they're not boiled.
So look, we have this one holding the light because we turn off our light. There's everyone gotta help her. So this is the chef for tonight. We got popcorn. So we're having movie underneath the stars. Like what way to have a great night than family and celebrating and just watching a movie. So that is what we're doing.
Look, things have taken rather a turn since you've been gone, Robin.
Bernard Ramsey acts like you lot are swarming the bloody walls of Nottingham already, the lying
Do you
bastard.
want to get angry or do you want to get even?
I want to take the sheriff down. I want to hit him where it hurts.
One thing keeps him in power.
Got the whole church behind him.
We have intermission. Oh Lord. It's a real movie theater this. So we have intermission. We are going to get food. Me in a line. I'll go about to go have some juice. Eh? Of course, we have to show people that we enjoy ourselves. You don't need that much. So see the crowd, the intermission in our line. The way. Hey, social distancing. Hello, where's the mask? 2 feet apart. Everybody are gonna get them food now. Intermission they go on. Oh, this is how you cock off. Oh, what a way you live life. Eh? Spread out. The ketchup jar. Oh, it's in the fridge. Let me have to go get it. Let me see what I'm going over there. So. Wait, tell Mario for bring it up.
Oh God.
Okay, let me go get it. What do you say? You're good? Where's Faith?
I'm
Mario, bring it all. Get all the cheese. What's it?
Oh, see, Uncle Mario got where is that?
Yeah. Rissa? Oh, shall go get we go look. Then I come. Wanna stay down there? Okay, kids first. So no go and go get to know. So this is what is going on for the night. Everybody are intermission. As them say. Eh? I go pop your popcorn and no. Oh, uno didn't get the clear bags.
Somebody serve them the
Eh? What are you doing up there, so? So you leave the door open.
You were alone, but now you get to be.
Look on the lineup.
lineup, a rush line.
I rush line,
No,
everybody
it come
waiting
like
for the
a
food.
Black Friday in the mall. If I one person leaving everything.
You see, Ron, you're a bad chef, man. I think you need to leave your work and do this full time. What do you people think? Hey, Karim, you don't think Ron need to leave his job and do this full time? Start up your own thing. Wanna stay there and grab no file paper?
Yes, dear.
Janai, how far you come from? Blood sea. Oh, God.
They are not our fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You